SVG genuinely can be written directly in line in real HTML, describing actual vector shapes with real markup, not JavaScript. In this video you'll write a real inline SVG. This real circle tag genuinely draws an actual vector circle, CXCY genuinely set its center, R its radius, fill its color. Rect tag genuinely draws a real vector rectangle, XY genuinely position its top left corner. ViewBox genuinely defines the real internal coordinate system. This makes the actual SVG scale cleanly to any real display size. SVG can genuinely be written directly in line as real HTML markup. Circle tag rect tag genuinely draw real basic vector shapes. ViewBox genuinely makes an SVG scale cleanly to any real display size. Draw a real inline SVG with a circle and a rectangle side by side. Ready to add real meta tags for search engine optimization?